Gonna see if we can't pick up some nice river yellers today. Yellow belly, but not lake ones, river ones. To watch that log in the water down the front there. You can see it, there's a V. So we need to go this side of it. We might spin around and hit that snag there, bring the lures back down river. Let's see if we've got anything hiding in there. I think so. Oh, what was that? Must have been a stick or something. Sure we're going to get anything here. So not in the shadows. So we might just keep heading. I think we might try that in the shadows of that tree down there. Snaggy country. How good is this? Looks great, doesn't it? Missed him. Don't know where Matt's gone. Very quiet on the river today, so I decided I'd wacky rig it, and I've just hooked and absolutely stonking ready. Look at this. I think I'll net him. I picked him up off the bottom down here. Yeah, he's a good one.
Okay. Come on, buddy. Yep.
What we're used to anyway.
Hey?
What we're used to.
Yeah.
Good line.
38. Yeah.
Fantastic.
38.
Too wacky, Ricky.
Yeah. Well, I reckon it doesn't work, but no, he's not 38, he's 39. Fucking caught me by surprise, that one did. So, yeah, he smashed it. I just had it on the, I let it drop to the bottom because there's a drop off here, it goes to 2.5 meters. Problem is all this line I got that I pulled out of the water up there earlier, and my line is all sitting down here. I got tangled in it. So anyone that says that wacky rig doesn't work, there's a Senko on a circle hook, and you just saw that fish. So when I say doesn't work, it doesn't work in Australia. Let's have another go.